So if you've got a concrete frame building which is going up and you're wanting balconies on it, why should you consider using the Sapphire balcony system? It's a good question. The Sapphire portfolio is mainly made up of balconies which have been added to concrete RC frame construction in mid to high-rise buildings. But why should that matter to you? The first thing really to consider is, what's your balcony aspiration? Are you wanting your balcony to look better than the building next door to you? Are you wanting to build quicker than you would be able to build using traditional methods? What is that aspiration? Do you have a high standard of safety? What are those kind of aspirations you have for your building and for your balconies? Understanding that and what the barriers to actually achieving that are is really imperative for us in helping streamline your balcony journey. And if those aspirations can be clearly identified, we can definitely help streamline your balcony journey through innovation, through collaboration, through discovery, and through looking back at the portfolio of existing projects and scenarios we've attached to. Whether that be a fully cast in situ frame, whether that be a post-tension building, whether that's a thick transfer slab, whether that's a thinner post-tension slab, all of these are scenarios which we already have experience with and can help reduce it. There are other specifics we can identify for your building, things like reducing your carbon, reducing the weight of your balconies. We want to be able to unlock that aspiration for you by overcoming those hurdles and challenges and streamlining your balcony journey. If there's no aspiration other than low budget, we're probably not the right people for you. But if you're wanting to unlock that with providing balconies which achieve your aspirations, we can help streamline that journey and identify the points of cost which we can remove, identify the points which will achieve your aspiration and build those into it. So what will your journey be in streamlining your balcony process? How are you going to achieve your aspirations and overcome those hurdles? We can help discover that by talking with you initially and looking at your project holistically. Reach out to us and we're happy to help.